Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use MetaTrader for USDJPY. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. It's a US dollar and Japanese yen, so for this, all you gotta do is open your MetaTrader 4 and click on Queries. After that, you'll find it right here, just click it. And you can use anything you want. For now, I'll use trade. You can either buy or sell. For example, I'll buy it and click done. That's how you can use MetaTrader for the USDJPY. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.